Today you will learn how to use Scissor tool in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. If you right click on the eraser tool, you can find Scissor tool here. You can simply press C on your keyboard to grab the Scissor tool. You can see the cursor is changed to plus sign. It means the Scissor tool is selected. If you click once on the artboard, you can see this warning. Please use Scissor tool on a segment or an anchor point of a path. Click OK so you can see that we can use this tool on any path or line. So here I have different shapes to teach you how to use Scissor tool in Adobe Illustrator. If I click on this line once, the line will be divided into two lines. Grab selection tool. Now you can move these lines and you can see these are two different lines now. Whenever you click on a line, the line will be divided into different parts. Now for example, you have a simple rectangle and click once on this rectangle path, you will see the shape expand message appears. If I click here, the shape will be divided into two parts. But first let me show you what happened when I click here. You can see an anchor point here. If I select direct selection tool and then move this anchor point, you can see the shape is cut from the part like a real life scissor. Now if I click here with Scissor tool, the shape will be divided into two different shapes. If I have a shape filled with a color, I press C on my keyboard, Scissor tool will be selected automatically. If I click once on this path, the shape will be cut. Grab selection tool and see what happened with this shape. You can see the shape is now broken from the middle. Fill color and stroke both are cut from the anchor point. I can close the shape by going to Object, Path and Join. You can also press Ctrl J on your keyboard to join the broken path. You can also cut the circle in half by using Scissor tool. Simply click on the upper anchor point. Shape expanded message appears. Now click on this lower anchor point. The shape is divided into two parts. If you fill the color, you can see the shape is the perfect half circle. You can close the shape by simply pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. One important thing about Scissor tool is you can't use this tool on simple text. As you can see, this error message is appearing because this is a simple editable text. Basically, you have to convert your text into outline. So right click on the text and click Create Outline. Now this is a group of different shapes. Now right click and choose Ungroup. You can see these are individual shapes. Now if I choose Scissor tool and click anywhere on this shape, the shape is converted to two different shapes. Grab selection tool and deselect everything. Now this looks like one shape. Right click and release compound path. You can see these two shapes here. Don't skip the video. Here is an important thing to notice when I use Scissor tool on this closed shape. Now to remove this center filled part, go to Window, Pathfinder. Now choose Divide option. Now ungroup these, select the part you want to remove and press Delete on your keyboard. So I hope you have learned how to use Scissor tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.